to rocks one. Born
Easy. Well, back with another review. This time we've got the CTMRK 10mm. I have to say, I used two of them. I used a silver and a yellow. Here you can see the yellow. It was quite time consuming to get the ink to flow, and when it did, not impressed at all. When it flooded out, it looked promising. Well, you can see after just trying the yellow out on these few small surfaces, I just decided to stop right there because it didn't cover anything in comparison with the silver, which I think is absolutely awesome. It didn't take as much to flood the pen. The silver is just so solid and very shiny. The silver pen, really, I'm impressed. I have a feeling that the silver ink would probably cover any surface at all. I decided to write a few hit-ups for people. So here we can see there's Fusi, Goke, my man Ida from New Jersey, and then I went out to do a little bit of playing. Metal surfaces, sign work. The pen, no problem at all, no streaks, just pure coverage. Concrete walls, although it's difficult to see because it was night time. You can still see that the pen's marked it quite clearly. Tested it after it had rained with the yellow, the blue and the silver, and it all seems to be fully waterproof. So here's a few hit-ups on paper, just using the glass-bodied magic marker. First, rusty reviews. And that's just a simple rusty. Shout out to my man Jinx. You can find him over at Jinx Travels. The man called Annex from over at Inevitable Rebels. You should go and check out this guy's marker reviews. Pretty dope, and he's got awesome hand styles. Also a channel Code 5. The man's getting into graphs, so show him some support. Fusi. And my German brother Goke. Go and check him out.
If you like what we're doing, hit a like and subscribe.